This Wolias direct drive kit transforms the Ender 3 series into a more precise, responsive printer by moving the extruder directly above the hot end. Installation is straightforward, even for hobbyists, with a complete set of cables, tools, and clear wiring guidance that avoids any permanent modifications to the machine. By shortening the filament path, the upgraded extruder reduces strain on the stepper motor and helps prevent clogs and misfeeds during retraction and loading. The integrated all-metal hot end feels robust and durable, with better heat resistance than stock setups and a design that simplifies maintenance and replacement. Support for materials such as flexible TPU, PETG, and standard PLA means this kit opens up more demanding projects that are difficult on a Bowden-style system. Overall, it is a well-thought-out upgrade that improves reliability, broadens material compatibility, and brings Ender 3 printers closer to enthusiast-grade performance.